Monday, March 16th, 2026, 20 weeks, 4 days pregnant. What up, party people? What do I want to say about today? Today, I got back to the gym. I went Friday, but I went again today to get back into my 3 days a week rhythm now that we're through all of the trauma. The trauma that is and was. All the sicknesses under the sun. So, here we are. We did it. We made it. And I'm surely I'm working through my hormonal emotions. I have been feeling him kick like crazy. The heartburn is really starting to kick in. Some of the cramping stuff is back, so I'm going to see what I can't do about that. I've really started to pop. So working on the body acceptance and that kind of thing has just again been a real mind-brain moment situation. So I'm sure there's so much more, but I'm trying to keep these short, and also also trying to a reminder that I'm sharing this for the single solo moms, or for the single moms, or even just the pregnant moms, so you don't feel alone. Part of sharing my pregnancy journey is to talk about the things that nobody talks about, and to let you know that you are not alone. And I get it, and I'm here, and I am happy to be on this journey with you. So, St. Patty's Day tomorrow, more green, all the things, and we'll just go from there, so here we go.